Hello everyone, welcome again. This is the part second video for the fourth chapter, reproductive health. So you know that in previously we have already started your new lesson, reproductive health, which is based on the how reproductive health is there and what is the reproductive health. Okay, so students, you know that now what is the reproductive health. According to the WHO or the World Health Organization, the reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of the reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behaviorally and the social. Correct. In the part first we have already discussed about what are the problems related to the reproductive health and what should be the strategies are there. Correct. So in this part we will study that contraceptive methods to prevent the unwanted pregnancies, then some natural methods and in barrier methods. Okay, so according to the society there should be the less population. Okay, India is the first country to initiate the action plans and the programs at a national level to attain the total reproductive health. Okay, like one such program is called the family planning that were initiated in 1951. This all I already told you in the first part of the reproductive health problems and the strategies, and also we studied about the population explosion and the birth. Correct. So the rapid increase in the population in a short time, that is called the population explosion. You know that now. Now what should be methods can we implant for to avoid such population explosion? Okay, so there should be some contraceptive methods are there to prevent the unwanted pregnancies, and that is used to prevent the modifying the menstrual cycle also. Okay, if we modify the menstrual cycle, that there is the contraceptive methods. Now let's start the contraceptive methods. What are the contraceptive methods for avoid or to prevent the unwanted pregnancy? Okay, so first is an ideal contraceptive method. How should be the ideal contraceptive method? Okay, so first it is user friendly, that should be easily available, that should be effective, reversible, no side effects of that contraceptive is there, and no way interference with the sexual desire and the sexual act. These are the ideal contraceptive should be. क्या है इसमें? पहले तो यूज़र फ्रेंडली होनी चाहिए, ओके, इजीली अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए और वेरी इफेक्टिव भी होनी चाहिए टू प्रिवेंट such unwanted pregnancy. Then it should be reversible also, and should in no way interference with the sexual drive and the desire or the sexual act of the user. Okay, इनके जो effects है, that effects and the reversible with no side effects. Okay, इनके side effects भी नहीं होने चाहिए. ये जो ऑल है जो हमने यहाँ पे देखा है सब कुछ, दैट यूज़र फ्रेंडली, द कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव शुड बी इजीली अवेलेबल, कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव शुड बी इफेक्टिव, दैट शुड बी रिवर्सिबल, there should be no side effects of that contraceptive to the user, then there is no way interference with the sexual desire and sexual act. ये तो हो गए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और कैसी होनी चाहिए कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव. अब हम बात करेंगे कि ये कैसे डिवाइड हो गई है. ओके, द कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स कुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू फॉलोइंग कैटेगरीज. The first is the natural और द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स. नेचुरल मेथड्स बोले तो क्या है, इनमें कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स है जो मतलब प्रीवियसली यूज करते आए हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ नया नहीं है और कुछ आर्टिफिशियल भी नहीं है. जो भी नेचुरल मेथड्स और ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स है जो ट्रेडिशनली यूज करते आए हैं, दैट इज वन ऑफ द natural or the traditional methods. Next to that, there is a barrier methods. What is the barrier methods now? The barrier methods means some contraceptive use in such a barrier methods. After the barrier methods, there is a intrauterine devices. In short, it is called the IUDs. Means intrauterine devices. Some devices are used and that is inserted by the doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through the vagina. That is the intrauterine devices are used as a contraceptive method to prevent the unwanted pregnancy. Next to that, there is a oral contraceptives. Oral contraceptive means, oral means some pills are there. Okay, so such type of the contraceptives, that is the oral contraceptive. Then there is a injectable and implants. Okay, both these injectable and the implants contraceptive. Injectable means what? Some combinations are used here, like the progesterone estrogen combination can be used as an injection, and that then implants in the skin. Okay, so such type of injections and the implants are there. And last one is your surgical methods as a contraceptive. Surgical methods में क्या हो जाएगा? Surgical methods means the sterilization. Okay, and these are advised as a terminal methods for the male and the female partner to prevent any more pregnancies. So these are all the contraceptive methods that is divided. First one is the natural or the traditional method. Some barrier methods are there. Then intrauterine devices, oral contraceptive methods, injectable and implants. Then there is the surgical methods. Okay, so these all are the methods which can be used as a contraceptive. So we will see one by one here. Okay, first one is the natural methods. What is the natural methods now? The natural methods means when it is naturally used or traditionally used. Correct. So naturally usable methods that works on the principle of avoiding the chances of the ovum and the sperm meeting. What happened here? Whatever that natural methods means what is the principle of that natural method, और उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? There the principle of the natural method is to avoid the chances of the ovum and the sperm meeting. इसमें क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है अभी? First is the periodic abstinence. What is the periodic abstinence? That means couples avoid from the coitus from the day 10 to the day 17, that is which is the fertile period of the female. Correct. We have already studied about the menstrual cycle in the lesson number 3, that is the human reproduction. So now you know that which are the fertile phases. So that couple avoid from the coitus from the day 10 to 17, which is the fertile period of the menstrual cycle, when ovulation could be expected and the chances of the fertilization are high. This is one of the natural method to avoid the unwanted pregnancy. Second natural method is what? The withdrawal or the coitus interruptum. Okay, when the male partner withdraws, when that means there is a, to avoid the insemination here. That is the second method to avoid as a contraceptive methods. And the last one is the natural methods, that is the lactational amenorrhea. That means it refers to the absence of the menstruation during the period of the intense lactation following parturition. Okay, when the ovulation does not occur in this period, hence the chances of the conceptions are almost nil. However, this method is effective up to a maximum period of 6 months after the parturition. That is one of the method from the natural methods. Okay, so these all are the natural methods to avoid the unwanted pregnancy here. After the natural method, there is the in-barrier method. Now what is the in-barrier method, students? When the ovum and the sperms are prevented from the meeting with the help of barriers. In the natural methods, what we did? We are using, that means there is no barriers we are using here in the natural methods, but in the barrier methods we are using some barriers to avoid the meeting of the ovum and the sperms. Correct. So such methods are available for both male and the female now. Okay, the first one is the condoms. That is used by the male. That barrier is made of the rubber or the latex sheet, which is used to cover the penis or the vagina and cervix of the female, and it is also used to prevent the sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so this is one of the barrier which is used to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Second one is the diaphragms are there, cervical caps are there, and walls are there. These are the barriers which is also made of the rubbers, you can see here, and that is inserted into the female reproductive tract during the coitus. Okay, and the spermicidal creams, jellies and foams are used along with this barrier to increase the contraceptive efficiency. Okay, so these are some natural methods, in barrier methods to avoid the unwanted pregnancy, and the contraceptive methods. Okay, in the next part we will see what is the intrauterine devices. Correct. So thank you so much.